What's up guys, in this video I'm going to take you through how you can change a watch battery, and it isn't as hard as I initially thought. And I looked on Amazon, I was able to get this little toolkit here to actually replace it. In my case, the watch I have is a twist off, so the way it works is you put the watch down, it's hard to do this one hand, but you put it into this little thing like this just to hold the watch in one place. There is this little lid on top, so the lid kind of sits on here like this. You use this tool, whatever you call it, like so, and you adjust this little spinny wheel to get it to the right length for your watch. Other watch types will have some kind of pop-off mechanism, so you just use like a screwdriver or a blade to very carefully kind of pry up on it. In this case, it literally just turns and spins off, and then once it's off, there was this little battery here, and there is on this watch a very small little foot thingy tab, which, let me see if I can do this. Basically, this little tab thingy right here was holding this little battery in there. I thought it was a 370 or 371 type battery, but I was wrong. The actual type battery is a 377. These are really cheap. I got these off Amazon for like $2.90. So this is a very cheap part. And we're going to put this back in, and that should be it, and this watch will start working again. So if you have your own watch and you want to try doing this yourself, it is pretty easy. The major pitfalls would be if you're dealing with watches that are water resistant, there's going to be this rubber gasket around it like I have here. Other types of watches may have some kind of white plastic ring which go over the battery to hold it in place and keep it in contact with the metal contacts for the actual mechanisms inside the watch. But yeah, this is a very easy thing to do. You can save yourself a few bucks, and when your watch dies again, because all batteries will eventually die, you'll have the tools and parts needed to do this. This tool, or tools, these two things only cost $8 on Amazon as well, so for a grand total of about 10 bucks, you can start replacing batteries in watches and make a decent living, or just keep your little watches going. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching.